In this video, we're going to show you how to diagnose the lint filter in your dryer. To diagnose your lint filter, it's a very easy thing to be able to do. The first thing you want to do is take a look at your lint filter and look to see if there's any holes or cracks or splits in the plastic frame or in the mesh itself. Such as the one on this model, you can see it has some perforations here. The frame is actually cracked. Those tears and those openings are going to allow lint to flow right through. It's going to wind up being redeposited on your clothing, as well as it's going to start to build up in your dryer exhaust and probably out at that flap or out at the outside of your home. So you want to take a look at your filter as well. If it is in good shape and nothing's broken, you also want to just take and hold it up to a light and look through it. If you happen to use a lot of fabric softener sheets to deal with static and wrinkles, over time there's a residue that'll build up on your lint filter from that. And you can see that if you hold it up to the light, and you'll find that even though it looks like there's holes, you'll find there's a little film across that. That's going to start restricting airflow and inhibit the performance of your dryer. So you're just going to want to take the filter and put it into hot soapy water and give it a little run with a brush, and your lint filter will be fine.